We've had the digital signage for probably about 5 or 6 years. This is our 27th year, and I can remember, 20 years ago, you have to keep your signs current. Well, there's so much to do throughout the day that, I'll be honest, just as something as simple as switching out some pricing or some different services or some new services that you might be offering, for years we did it the old style way, which was the little board and you get the little numbers and you get the little letters. What I like about the digital signage is that it's easily controlled, and obviously it's a lot more professional, and it's just simple for us to switch in and out, and it's just more attractive for the customer. Since there is so much to do throughout the day, being in the tire business, we want to simplify it as much as we can. We don't want our people to worry about something as simple as changing out signage. So that was our number one goal, but now it's become a big marketing tool for us. We can see customers walk in and ask for an oil change, but then also see that we might do transmission flushes, and that will pop across the screen, give a price, or it'll be a sale price, or we'll have a commercial talking about it, and they'll ask for the transmission service. So it helps our salespeople not be that pesky salesperson that's always asking, hey, do you need this, do you want that? Because it lets the customer be in control and helps the overall experience of our customers.
Plus, it also really supports who we are. We view ourselves as being an innovative and progressive company. The digital environment is critical for us as well, and the service and the way we deliver it plays into that very, very well. We think it helps to deliver that message that coming in here to Tate Boys, we're going to get them back the ultimate customer experience. We want to make sure that when they come into the store, that experience is identical to what they're seeing online. And the Spectrio service plays so well into that. And as I mentioned, not only delivering strong messages for us to enhance that customer experience, but also to deliver that innovative mindset that says if I go to Tate Boys, I can have confidence that they're going to be meeting our needs, meeting my needs, and have what I need as I go forward. So it's a critical part of our digital strategy as we go forward.